Let's solve this puzzle step by step, and pay attention because every rectangle gives us a hidden clue. We're looking at a grid of rectangles. Most of their areas are given, except for one, the shaded rectangle in the top left. At first glance, it looks complicated, but here's the trick. Shared sides means shared dimensions. Let's start at the top. The unknown rectangle shares a vertical side of 6 centimeters with the rectangle that has an area of 48 square centimeters. That means the width of the 48 rectangle is 6. Area equals width times height, so 48 divided by 6 gives us 8. Now we know the length of that rectangle. That same length continues downward into the rectangle with area 72. So the 72 rectangle also has a length of 8. Dividing 72 by 8 gives us 9. That's the height of the 72 rectangle. This height is shared with the rectangle labeled 36. So 36 divided by 9 equals 4. That 4 centimeter side is shared again, this time with the rectangle of area 20. 20 divided by 4 gives us 5. And finally, that same length continues into the rectangle with area 30. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. Now look back at the shaded rectangle. Its height is 6, and its width is also 6. So the missing area is 6 times 6 equals 36 square centimeters. Sometimes the solution isn't about complex math. It's about seeing connections. If you enjoyed this puzzle, try solving it again without pausing and see how fast you can spot the pattern. Thanks for watching.